fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox some items from Diamondartgift. So I'm just going to jump right in. I have some fun things to show you. As you can see, I've got two canvases, but the other two things that I'm excited about are two pens. Now, you guys know I love my diamond painting pens, and I love these profile chunky pens. And they have a bunch of new ones that have all kinds of goodies shoved inside of them. So it's, you know, they filled them and then poured the resin over top. These are like little hearts. And I just thought it was super pretty. So you get a single placer tip and a 6 placer tip. I will, of course, be putting steel tips on mine. But yeah, I just thought it was really pretty. I really like this one. So these are $5.99, and in addition to this one, I also got this one. This one is my favorite of the two. I like them both, but this one is my favorite. And again, you get the 6 placer and the single placer. But this one is little leaves. Look at how cool that looks. This one is going to be one that I use on my next kit, probably, whatever that kit happens to be. So I just thought it was really fun, all the different things that they could, you know, put inside the resin. So if you want to make your pens match something, you know, if you have something that has leaves or something in it, or sort of a tropical vibe, or maybe just trees or something, you could do that. And then the one with the hearts, you know, something with a heart or a heart theme, whatever that might be. Those are both $5.99. And as usual, I will put links in the description box down below so that you can check them out. Then I have two kits here. So this one is a partial. Ooh, this canvas is stiff. Okay, let me roll it up here so I can get it to lay flat. All right, so we get our standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. We do get some baggies, so if you like working from baggies, and you can see it is a special drill kit. So we've got that going on there. And here it is. It is another one of those just kind of pretty mandalas. This is a 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is 23 by 22.5, a little bit less, a little bit more. Yeah. So roughly 23 by 23. We just have one schematic here at the top. We have 9 colors. It looks like at least 3 of them are special shaped, but no codes. So, and no codes on the drills, which is a little disappointing, but it's nice and sticky where it needs to be. I just thought the color scheme of this one was really pretty. All right, let's get into our drills and see what we've got. All right, we've got, ooh, a very pretty kind of berry pink, a dark red, a turquoise, and then a lighter turquoise. We've got a clear small marquee. We've got that very pretty kind of antique gold small marquee, a red round, a very pale turquoise, and then some blue marquee shape. So there you go. Yeah, I just thought this one was really pretty. Like I said, I really like the color scheme. So, and it'll work up quick, so that's always nice. This one was $4.88. Well, let's see what else I got. Okay, my last item here is another kit. Ooh, this one is much thinner and easier to roll up than the other one. I like that. I like these thinner canvases. They're still just as sturdy, but they're just softer. All right, so standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. You can see it is a round kit. And here it is. It's a cute little gnome with flowers. I thought this was a very pretty kind of springy painting. This one is a 30 by 40 instead of a 30 by 30. So let's measure. It is a little over 24.5, so almost 25 by almost 25 by almost 35. 23 colors, which is a nice amount of colors for this size. It does have the DMC codes, and we do have a schematic on both sides, so that's nice. It is nice and sticky. Now this is one of the newer ones where they put on the image and then they print the symbols over it. There is actually a nice mix of confetti and multi-placing. There's some confetti here in the hat and down here, but of course you've got the sky. There's some nice multi-placing, his beard, the grass down here. But yeah, with the butterflies and everything, I just thought it was a nice, pretty, simple gnome picture because everyone is gnome crazy lately. So we've got 23 colors. Let's see what our drills look like. All right, so we've got to start 3 shades of gray. We've got like a mauvey gray, a gray, and then a kind of a bluish gray. We've got 4 different, well, I guess 3 different shades of green. We've got like a very pale lime green, a green, that's more like a pale yellow, and then a spring green. And then we've got a very like off-white, a kind of a salmon color, a yellow, a pale green, kind of a mustard, and then are those the same? Yes. 2 bags of this light blue, which is the background color, a very pale blue, a dark gray, kind of a greenish turquoise, a gray, kind of a sage green, and then a very, very pale blue, almost white. Oh, and there's actually 2 bags of this color. Just this one is on the second string of drills. So then we also have kind of a brown, kind of a lime green, a white, and oh, that's off-white or like a very, very pale gray. So white and off-white, I guess. So there's the colors. Like I said, 23 colors. And this one was $4.99. Can't remember if I told you how much the mandala was. It was $4.88. So just to recap, we have our cute little springy gnome here. We have our colorful mandala. And then we have our very pretty heart and leaf diamond painting pens. I will, as always, put a link in the description box below to all of these items so you can check them out for yourself or anything else that might catch your eye while you're there. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.